money, Daddy.
What up, what up? So D, I'm back with another video. And today I got a USB-C multi-function adapter. Now, I want to test this thing out and see what it can do. I had a adapter before and I was using it for my Switch and it died on me. So I want to see if this one can allow me to use the HDMI to go out. And I want to see for my phone as well if it allows me to do that. So we're going to test this thing out. We're going to have some fun with it. Right now, we're just going to do the unboxing. See what this thing can do. So, right out the packaging, I got this color because I figure it matches my Mac. And I want to keep it matching together. Even though I already got a dongle for my Mac, but this will be for my Switch and for my phone probably. See how it works. And hopefully it don't die on me. Nothing else in the packaging, just that. So we don't need that anymore. And we're gonna get to testing on this. For the first thing up, we're gonna test this thing out on a Switch, see if it can output a video. Then after that, we're gonna test it on my Note 9 and my S9 and see if it puts out a signal through the HDMI or allows me to add any storage to it. So let's go over there and see what it do. So we got this thing set up, HDMI in. It's on the TV. Audio source is not being displayed. So let's try to turn a little power into it and see what happens. So that's what it needed. It needed a little bit of juice. So you know this dongle works basically with the Switch. Try to zoom out. Don't. Alright, so here I'm playing a little bit. Alright, no delay. Everything feels good. Alright, so it needs power. So that's something to keep in mind. If you're trying to use it, be portable, have it in your car, trying to set up a little something without using the dock, just know that you need power. So that's not really a problem because you could easily connect something into the car to give you a little more juice with a little small monitor. So that's an easy thing to do. So let's move on to the next thing. If you have any questions, you know, holla at your boy. I always like to test things out. But we're gonna move on now to the Note 9 and the S9. All right, we got the Note connected. No power. Connects to the TV, no problem. Now, one of the things I do want to know is, can it play YouTube? Yep, YouTube comes up, no problem. Let's go back out. So it's basically just mirroring the phone, so everything should, well, hold on. Let's try, do I have Netflix on this phone? All right, well, I don't have Netflix on here, so try the next phone that has. Hold on, let's plug in the power and see what happens. We'll charge the phone. Yep, it's charging the phone. That's pretty official. All right, let's move on to the next. Whoa. So, plugged up the S9, left the power in a dongle, and it basically pulled up Samsung DeX. Now, I gotta look into that. So it's basically wanting me to start DAX, switch to screen mirroring. Let's start the DAX. So that's pretty dope. So this dongle does a lot. It's worth the money. Allows me to have some fun. So I got a mini PC here basically now off this dongle. And I ain't have to spend $80 freaking for the other dongle that Samsung sells. They won't patch this crap soon. Well, there you go, folks. This is the power of the dongle. Oh, forgot to test the storage. So let's test that out. I'm pretty sure it do, to be honest with you. I'd be surprised if it don't. So, y'all let me know. Yeah, man. Because trying to work with one hand is feeling extra challenged. Oh, yeah, forgot. Wanted to test out Netflix, so let's test that to make sure it works. And yes, it do. So, definitely can use that to mirror to your TV. So if you go to a friend's house, you know, or if your cable goes out, something like that, because that crap happens. I got Fios, and sometimes this thing would just go out in the middle of the night, 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm stuck here twiddling my thumbs. And then I gotta grab my phone on my iPad that has data and watch something on TV, watch something on that. But now with this device, plug this thing up right to my TV and enjoy it on a big screen. So you got options now. So definitely, you know, get this thing. This thing is official. And I think it was only like $30. You know, probably cheaper now because I had it for a while. I've been sitting on it. Haven't had time between all the things that's been going on in my life personally. But just wanted to let y'all know it does work with Netflix. And Netflix is the hardest one, so it definitely should work with Hulu. But, I mean, that's about it. I'll let y'all later. Easy.